Time is money. Have you spent hours drawing lines and circles in AutoCAD like a robot? Well, what if there was a robot to do the job for you? Say no more. Meet CadScape, our software that will make your life so much easier. CadScape software focuses on automating your time-consuming tasks. With only a click, you can complete hours worth of work in a matter of seconds. Easily modify your drawings. Just adjust the input and re-click the tool button. With CadScape, you can get large projects completed, even with smaller teams. Consider how your normal workflow is. The only tools you have access to are the drawing tools in AutoCAD. Think about all the times where you were almost done, only to find out there was a mistake early in the project and you had to redo all your work again. Now you can leave all that hassle behind. With CadScape software, your projects are just a few clicks away from being completed. So what are you waiting for? Shop now at thecadscape.com and start saving time.